Best Random Orbital Sanders. Mechanical keyboards have grown increasingly popular among typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durable build quality, customizable layouts, and overall value. When evaluating keyboards, factors like switch type, build quality, layout, and price are carefully considered. Similarly, selecting a random orbital sander requires attention to motor power, sanding efficiency, ergonomics, dust collection, and overall value. These tools are essential for woodworking, automotive refinishing, and DIY projects. This guide reviews 5 of the best random orbital sanders, highlighting performance, durability, and usability to help you choose the right tool for smooth, professional-grade finishes.
Product number 1. SKIL 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. The SKIL 5-inch Random Orbital Sander is a reliable entry-level sander designed for DIY enthusiasts and casual woodworking projects. Its 2.0 amp motor delivers sufficient power for smoothing wood, removing paint, and finishing surfaces quickly and evenly. The random orbital motion reduces swirl marks, providing a smoother finish than standard sanders. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make extended sanding sessions comfortable, while the dust collection bag helps keep workspaces cleaner. Users appreciate the straightforward setup and responsive control. Although it lacks the advanced features of higher-end models, the skil sander offers consistent performance, ease of use, and excellent value for homeowners and hobbyists seeking a versatile, dependable tool for occasional use. Product number 2. Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander 2.5 amp 5-inch corded variable speed random orbital sander. The Bosch ROS 20 VSC is a professional-grade palm sander that combines power, precision, and versatility. Its 2.5 amp motor and variable speed control, 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, allow users to adjust sanding intensity to suit delicate finishes or heavy material removal. The 5-inch sanding pad and random orbit motion minimize swirl marks for smooth, professional results. Its ergonomic design, soft grip surface, and low vibration operation make extended sanding sessions more comfortable. The built-in microfilter dust canister captures fine particles efficiently, maintaining a cleaner workspace. Users praise the Bosch ROS 20 VSC for durability, consistent performance, and smooth finishing. While slightly pricier than basic models, it is ideal for DIYers, hobbyists, and professionals seeking a precise, high-quality sander for wood, metal, and composite surfaces.
Product number 3 is dewalt Random Orbit Sander. The dewalt Random Orbit Sander delivers professional-quality sanding in a compact, ergonomic design. Its 3.0 amp motor provides strong, consistent power for various sanding tasks, while the random orbital pattern reduces swirl marks for smooth, uniform finishes. The sander features a hook-and-loop pad for quick sandpaper changes and a low-profile body that enhances control during precision work. Dust collection is efficient, keeping work areas cleaner and reducing airborne particles. Users appreciate the tool's durability, comfort, and steady performance even under prolonged use. While slightly heavier than entry-level models, the dewalt Random Orbit Sander is a reliable choice for woodworking, finishing, and DIY projects where performance, longevity, and precision are critical.
Product number 4. dewalt Orbital Sander 5-inch Palm Sander Tool. The dewalt 5-inch palm sander is designed for ease of use and consistent professional results. Its compact size, lightweight body, and soft grip handle make it comfortable for extended sanding sessions. The 3.0 amp motor provides sufficient power for smooth wood finishing, paint removal, and surface preparation. Its random orbital motion reduces swirl marks, ensuring uniform results across various surfaces. The tool features a hook-and-loop pad system for rapid sandpaper changes and an efficient dust collection system to keep workspaces cleaner. Users commend its durability, ergonomic design, and consistent sanding performance. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals, this dewalt model offers an excellent balance of power, comfort, and precision in a versatile compact sander.
Product number 5. Craftsman Orbital Sander. The Craftsman Orbital Sander offers a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential performance features. Its 2.3 amp motor delivers reliable power for smoothing wood, refinishing furniture, and light sanding tasks. The random orbital motion ensures even sanding and minimizes swirl marks, producing professional quality finishes. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle enhance comfort and control, while the integrated dust collection system helps maintain a cleaner work area. Users appreciate its straightforward operation, durability for casual use, and value for money. While not as feature-rich as premium models, the Craftsman Orbital Sander is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners seeking a dependable, affordable tool for everyday sanding projects.